G'day, this is TRS-80 Model-I that I've been working on for the last month and a half. I bought this off Marketplace and it was just the keyboard, the case and the monitor. There was no board in the case and the monitor had actually failed. Today we actually repaired the monitor by replacing two transistors on the input side and all the caps. I thought the opto-isolator may have failed, but actually works fine. So after I replace those transistors and caps, I now have video on the monitor. I'm using a Replica Revision G board that I've been building over the last month. Sourcing the components was a bit of a pain, but I also had a donor board. So I'm actually using the original character generator, but I also have a replacement character generator based on an EEPROM. We also are using the 1ROMs to run level 2 basic 1.3, and the system seems to be working quite well, and I think we need to celebrate today's victory, and it makes me feel like I want to dance. TRS-80 Model-I dance party. Absolutely bloody marvelous. We'll catch you next time. Bye.